Hey there folks, welcome back to Be10x, your ultimate destination for all things AI and productivity. I'm Suraj and today we are diving into the realm of hidden prompts, those elusive gems that can supercharge your AI output like never before. Ever wondered where to find the best prompts for tools like ChatGPT or Claude AI? The ones that give you incredible outputs without breaking the suite? Well, my friends, you are in luck because today I am revealing the secret sauce to uncover these hidden treasures. But before we embark on this exciting journey, let me drop a quick nugget of wisdom. AI isn't about replacing us, it's about empowering us. And mastering AI tools can give you a competitive edge in your field. So let's not waste any time, let's unleash the power of hidden prompts and take your AI game to the next level. But first, a quick reminder, Be10x is hosting an exclusive workshop on AI tools tailored for professionals like you. The link is in the description below. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this opportunity.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
Alright, let's jump right in today's topic. How to find hidden prompts that nobody knows. Let's uncover these hidden treasures together. Picture this, stumbling upon a golden mine of super effective prompts that can revolutionize the way you work with AI. Sounds exciting, right? Well, buckle up because we are about to explore secret websites where you can find these hidden prompts. The first stop on our journey is GitHub, where you will find an amazing collection of prompts tailored for ChatGPT, with over 10,000 prompts at your fingertips. The possibilities are endless. Just scroll through, find a prompt that fits your needs and copy-paste into your AI tools of choice. It's that simple. Next up, we have the promptindex.com, a user-friendly platform packed with user-generated prompts. Whether you are in the mood for business prompts or creative prompts, this site has it all. Just browse through, pick a prompt that catches your eye, and watch your AI tool work its magic. But wait, there's more. Ever thought about creating your own AI assistant to generate prompts for you? Well, with Cassidy AI, it's easier than you think. Simply input your task and let Cassidy AI do the rest. It's like having your very own AI brainstorming buddy. Now, let's shift our focus to hidden prompts for Claude AI. Anthropic's own prompt library is a treasure trove of prompts designed to unleash Claude's full potential. Just pick a prompt that suits your need, customize it if necessary, and watch Claude work its magic. But wait, if you're looking for something more advanced, that's where Meta Prompt comes in. This intuitive tool inside Google Colab lets you generate prompt with ease. Just follow the steps into your task and let Meta Prompt do the heavy lifting for you. It's AI at its finest. And last but not least, we have Claude 3 Prompt Optimizer, a user-friendly tool that generates prompts based on your tasks and preferences. With a few clicks, you will have a super effective prompt ready to go. It's like having a personal AI prompt generator at your disposal. So there you have it folks, 6 secret websites where you can find hidden prompts to supercharge your AI output. But remember, the real magic happens when you put these prompts into action. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI tips and tricks, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you have discovered any other hidden prompt websites, share them in the comments below. And if you are ready to level up your professional journey with AI, smash that link in the description below to join our exclusive AI tools workshop. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating. This Suraj is signing off from Be10x. Dhanyavad.